Welcome to episode 3 of Going Green on NJN.net. Today's episode takes us to the Summerfield Elementary School in Neptune, New Jersey. This LEED Gold level school features a solarium, geothermal system, and underfloor air distribution, which have affected the lives of the students, teachers, and the community.
Being in a green building is an excellent opportunity to teach our children the importance of taking care of our earth. We start with preschoolers from age 3, go to grade 5, and at that young age we can actually start talking about recycling, taking care of our building, taking care of our earth.
Neptune Township School District was very concerned about integrating a curriculum with the building facility, building a facility that could act as a 3D textbook for our students, a facility that would not only house our students, but in and of itself would educate our students.
So do we get any of the green building concepts in the design, or only after it's built? Quick finish? It has to be in the design, doesn't it?
Yes. Since we opened the school, we haven't taken any chemicals into the building for cleaning purposes that are not green chemicals. With the polished concrete floors, we don't have to put wax down, we don't have to buff floors, which create dust. We don't have to strip floors, which are ammonia-based and can create problems for breathing. And we don't have to seal floors.
Where do we see parts of this building that are more energy efficient than other buildings? The air vents, good. Where are they?
On the floor. The energy recovery units take the exhaust air from the building and then they reuse that air to heat the fresh air coming into the building. So we start with taking energy out of the ground, heat and cool the building, and as we exhaust air out of the building, we take the energy back out of that air and preheat fresh air that we're taking in. So the energy that we're getting from the earth is really used twice. We have light shelves over the windows, so in the summer the heat is reflected out and the air conditioning is not taxed as it would be if the sun was shining in the windows. In the winter, it lets the heat in because the way the building is oriented, it allows the sunlight beyond the shelf to come into the room and assist in heating the room.
We have retention tanks underneath our fields and part of our parking lot area, and what we have is 100% ground source water renewal for irrigation, so what falls here stays here. It's used here at Summerfield School, and we have a rain gauge in our lobby, and students are going to be able to track the quantity of water that's available. The students will be doing taking temperature readings, heat readings. They're learning about how you change windows, doors, and temperature changes from the light coming in, the heat. So it's all solar energy coming in and taking care of this space.
We also have a tract of land in the back called Summer Wood, which is going to be our environmental program.
Now, is this going to be open to the public as well, everything that's out here?
We'll also be open to the public, yes.
So you can almost go on like little nature trails as a family on weekends in the summer.
Yes, you can.
The community is very pleased with the school. They're very excited with the school. Parents have recognized it already as a result of the features in the school. Children have a higher attendance rate, staff have a higher attendance rate. Green features do not necessarily equate to a more expensive building. And certainly in the long run, a green school operating in this, like this school with geothermal heating and cooling will be more cost efficient for the taxpayers to operate over its life.
The best part about it all is the children are involved with it. So with the children being involved with it, our children need to be excited about coming to school today. And when they're part of their building and they're excited about where they're going, it really helps.